Right, now video I'm going to show you how you can customize Google Chrome to look and feel the way you want it. As you can see, I've gone for a deep red color. So how do you go about doing this? Well, you need to open a new tab and then click Customize in the bottom right hand corner. This window will appear. It gives you three options, three areas of Google that you can customize: the background, the shortcuts, and the color and theme. So you may want to pick a pre-selected image. So I've got some cityscapes, let's apply that, and you'll see the background changes. You can also upload your own image, or you may not want an image at all. Under shortcuts, you can change how the shortcuts work. So you can actually have your own shortcuts there that you can add and pick which websites you visit often that you want there. I let Google do it automatically, so I've just got Google to put websites there that I visit often automatically. But you may have a specific site that maybe you don't visit too often, but you want it there. You can use this option, and then you can manually have one of these shortcuts become a link to that website. And again, you can hide the shortcuts too if you don't want other people seeing what you've got there. And then you've got the color and theme, and this is kind of cool. You just click on the one you like, and it will just flick through all the themes that are available. Previously, you used to have to install extensions into Google Chrome to do this, but now you can just do this from inside Google Chrome. Just select the one you want. I'm going with the dark blood red color, and then hit done. And that's it. You've now got Chrome customized to the way you like it.